We are very nervous, each one of us on stage and off stage, to present to you the first time. Because after today, this film won't belong to us. I hope you like it.
सभी स्टार कास्ट को बुलाना चाहूंगा स्टेज पर. It's a large star cast और थोड़ी सी तालियों के साथ उनकी एंट्री दे देना. The first gentleman, love his voice, इनकी दाढ़ी, इनका stature, one of the most impressive individuals you'll ever get to meet. I'd like to call on stage Mr. Kabir Bedi. Welcome, sir. Please. Since we are going with the actors of the film, a man equally as tall, Mr. Nawab Shah. इनके लिए भी तालियां हो जाए. Sorry, a little taller actually. How are you, sir? Please. And now a gentleman who I've known for a very long period of time. He's got the best sense of humor that I've ever seen. Baman sir, please do come on stage. Hello sir. Okay. A gentleman जिनकी बेटी को हम लोग ने देख के बहुत enjoy किया. What a actress recently. And perhaps the one person who's, well, sort of had a monopoly over comedy for 10,000 years. The biggest fan, Johnny sir, please do come on stage. Sir, solo picture तो दे दो sir, शर्माओ मत, हल्का हल्का. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. और अब एक ऐसे जनाब जिनके हर बार जब मैं गाल देखता हूं तो ऐसे बड़ा खींचने का मन करता है मेरे को. Varun, please do come on stage. Sharma, not Dhawan. Hello, sir. नहीं एक तो करना पड़ेगा. Thank you, Varun. Serious लग रहे हो सर आप? All okay? Okay. Before I call the lady, I would like to also call on stage a gentleman who I'm very shocked to see in a suit today. Pritam Da. Sir, आइए सर स्टेज पर. प्रीतम दा के लिए तालियां. Now, as we're running out of space, the gentlemen need to adjust because we're in Mumbai. Half step that side. Perfect. And then I would like to call this gorgeous lady. She's very, very tall. Kriti, do come on stage. A big round of applause for her as well. Couple of solos. Just do the right, center, and left. Center, and now left. Thank you. Okay. And the gentleman who's looking smashing in a white suit. I like calling him gentleman. I pretty much seen him grow up in front of me. Superstar, Varun Dhawan, come on stage. Varun, come for a few solos. In the build. We start with right first, center, and then to the left. Okay, back to the center, and we're done. Thank you. And a lady who, well, she just looks more beautiful with every passing year. I'm a big fan of just her laughter, her acting. Incomparable. Ladies and gentlemen, Kajol. Little bit, yeah. To the right, center, left will be a little over the shoulder, but yeah, little to the left. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Now for this next introduction, I've decided to have a bit of a samjhauta. Varun, since you wanted to do this, it's over to you. Though I would have hated, I'm hating you right now. Actually, I would want to do myself, but yeah.
I'll get you some mutton later on. But anyway, this man is very special to all of us on the stage. The producer of this film, one of the best actors we have in our country, the living legend, the king of hearts, the king of kings, Mr. Shah Rukh Khan!
Should I?
May I? Thank you, Salil. Thank you very much for calling us on stage. Thank you, everyone, for waiting so patiently. Thank you, everyone who's here. This has been a long stint. We've been working for about 150, 160 days, and we're still working. But this is one of the best evenings, not only for all the actors and everyone involved in it, but there's so many people involved in making a big film. I think it's a big, big moment for us, very nerve-wracking, and I hope you enjoy what you see. And the reason you will enjoy is only one, because this film is made by the one and only. Please welcome on stage Mr. Rohit Shetty.
And now let's have some group photographs. Can I just direct you all to the right, everyone, please? To the right first. To the right, everyone to the right, please. And 3, 2, 1. To the center, please, everyone. To the center. And now to the left, please, everyone. And back to the center, and then we're done. Thank you very much, gentlemen. Thank you. And of course, since everybody is here, there's going to be a large... We could actually cut the music now. It would be nice. Thank you very much. Okay, so what we're going to do is thoda kasht lena padega, and you all will have to walk off stage while we introduce this fantastic trailer. Shah Rukh sir, do you want to say something 2 seconds before the trailer is launched?
On behalf of everyone, first of all, I'd like to thank Rohit Shetty Productions for making this film possible, Red Chillies for coming along, and everyone who's involved with this film. Rohit and myself, we are very, we are just working kind of people, so this is awkward for us. We are very nervous, each one of us on stage and off stage, to present to you the first time, because after today, this film won't belong to us. So I hope you like it and keep it with love. So thank you very much, everyone. Thank you, Rohit, for making this. Thank you.
आइए वरुण सर, शाहरुख सर, काजोल मैम, कृति, प्रीतम सर आइए, वरुण सर, जॉनी सर, बमन सर, सर, कबीर सर. We have a large family, ladies and gentlemen. And I would like a big round of applause. Did you all like the trailer? A big round of applause for the trailer. So, before I come into them, audio kahan nahi aa raha hai? Mera to bilkul aa raha hai. Baman sir, we'll start with you. There's a frown on your face. Everything okay, sir? I haven't seen you for a long time. You're back with Shah Rukh, sir. And this time you're not punching him, or, you know, it's just a very cordial relationship. But there's a lot of punching that is going on in the film also, lots of fighting. It's beautiful, it's huge, I love it. So, just a couple of words on your experience. Just a minute, sir. This beautiful lady is on her way.
So your question was, why am I not punching Shah Rukh?
No, I said this time you're not punching Shah Rukh, but
मेरे दिन भर गए मैं पागल हो गया. No, I think that Shah Rukh just one day met me at a function and he held me by the neck and gave me a kiss on the cheek and said, "You're doing the next film." So there are no arguments when that happens. Also, he said that, I'll become lonely now that we both going to be in the 50 club. So ये सब बाकी सब, they're all youngsters, so we need company. So Shah Rukh and I love you, my friend. You're the greatest. You are the greatest. Thank you so much for having me in your film. Thank you.
humble as ever, Baman sir. Right. Right next to him, Varun, my friend, this is fantastic. I'm so happy to see you being catapulted into this superstardom big league, because when you're doing a film with Shah Rukh sir, it is like that. Are you nervous with the release?
Not at all.
Huh?
No, I'm just.
At least behave a little bit nervous. It's a really big deal.